Hello students, welcomes again. Right now I am going to resume your remaining part of the chapter, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse.
Not until this morning, he said. Are you telling the truth? I said. I asked him, okay, because you know how to control the horse, you know well how to ride, but it did not happen in one morning. Just you tell me the truth, telling me the truth. Of course not, he said, but if you are found out, that's what you want to say. I don't want both of us to be liars. All you know is that we started riding this morning. All right, I said. He walked the horse quietly to the board of a deserted vineyard, which at one time had been the pride of a farmer named Pat Vejan. It's a name of farmer. Where the horse hid. There were some oats and dry alfalfa in the board. So मुराद बताता है कि देखो एक किसान है फेडवेजान, वहाँ पे एक सेफ प्लेस है जहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, ओट्स हैं, ड्राई सूखे पौधे हैं, जहाँ पे उसके बार में, उसके एस्टेबल में, उसके फर्म में, बार मीन्स फर्म, वेयर वी कैन हाइड इट. नेक्स्ट, we began walking home. After hiding the horse, we start to going towards our home. It wasn't easy, he said, to get the horse to behave so nicely. At first it wanted to run wild, but as I have told you, I have a way with the horse. I can get it to want to anything I want it to do. Horses understand me. When you are going towards home, I asked, he said, okay, it was not easy to hide and it was not easy to control the horse. And if you don't know how to ride the horse, why did you sit on the horse? Why did you tell me that I want to ride alone? At first, he wanted to run well. How do you do it? I said. Aram, I means narrator. Aram said, how do you do it? How, from where you have learned it? I have an understanding with the horse. Just again, I have an understanding with the horse means I know how to control the horse, how to ride it, everything. He said, yes, but what sort of an understanding? I said, what's the meaning of understanding? From where you have learned? How did you know? A simple and honest one, he said. Well, I said, I wish I knew how to reach an understanding like that with the horse. Okay, also I wanted to know how to reach, how to understand, how to control. Next. You are still a small boy, he said. When you get to be 13, you will know how to do it. When Aram said to Murad, also I wanted to learn how to control the horse. But Murad said, no, you are still a small boy. You are too young to understand how to control the horse. But when you are complete 13 years, you will be able to know how to control the horse and how to ride it. Okay, next. I went home and ate a hearty breakfast. Yes, we went home and took breakfast. That afternoon, my uncle, next, Khusro, came to our house for coffee and cigarette. He sat in the parlor, sipping the smoking and remembering the old country. Then another visitor arrived, a farmer named John Byro, an Algerian who out of loneliness had learned to speak Armenian. My mother brought the lonely visitor coffee and tobacco. Tobacco, you know? Khani, surti. And he rolled a cigarette and sipped. Sip means take coffee slowly. And he smoked. जैसे कि लोग चाय पीते हैं, कुछ लोग सिगरेट को धुआं में उड़ाते हैं, एक बार पीते हैं, एक बार सिगरेट पीते हैं, you know. जैसे इंजीनियर के स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, कुछ और लोग ही होते हैं. एंड देन एट लास्ट, signing sadly, he said, my white horse which was stolen last month is still gone. I cannot understand it. Yeah, when we went our home, we took breakfast, and meanwhile John Byro, who is John Byro? In the start of the chapter I told you John Byro is also a character who is the owner of the horse, who came to my home and he informed about stealing the horse. He asked my uncle Khusro, that someone is stolen. Last month his horse has been stolen by someone. So, but I cannot understand it. And then my uncle Khusro became irritated, very irritated, and shouted, it's no harm. What is the loss of horse? Haven't we all lost the homeland? What is the crying? What is this crying over horse? When John Byro informed everything, my uncle Khusro, whose pet words, जिनका वो एक pet words था, it's no harm, don't pay heed on that here. He shouted on that, no harm, what is the loss of horse? घोड़ा तो गायब हुआ है, जिंदगी ने खत्म कर दी, तुम्हारा घर नहीं गायब हो गया, क्यों ना चिल्ला रहे हो? What is the crying over a horse? गायब हो गया. That may be all right for you, a city dweller. Dweller means dweller. You can say dwell to residence here. जहाँ पे हम लोग रहते हैं, dweller रहने वाला, city dweller. To say John Byro said, but what of my Surrey? What about my business? Everything stopped due to it because I have no horse. What good is Surrey without a horse? I have no work. कोई वर्क नहीं है, घोड़ा चला गया. Again, my uncle Khusro roared, shouted, pay no attention to it. It's no harm. I walked in miles to get here, John Byro said. You have legs, my uncle Khusro shouted. My uncle Khusro is a pet word. He again and again shouted and cried these words. My left leg pains me, the farmer said. Pay no attention to it, my uncle Khusro roared again. That horse cost my $60, the farmer said. The farmer said, that's now you are telling me it's no harm. But my horse cost $60. And now you are telling it doesn't matter. No harm. I spite on money, my uncle Khusro said. I got up and stalked out of the house, slamming the screen door. Having that, yeah, एक आके मैं वहाँ से चल दिया. My mother explained, मम्मा ने कहा कि don't mind it, इनका बुरा मत मानना, इनकी तो आदत है बोलने की है. So that's why he has a gentle heart, she said. It's simply that he is homesick and such a large man. My mother explained, clarified that, okay, don't mind it. He is always telling her like this. He is in the habit to shout it. So don't mind it. The farmer went away and I ran over to my cousin Murad's house. After farmer went from the home, I afraid. That's why I ran towards my cousin and I told everything about there. He was sitting under a peach tree trying to repair the head wing a young robin which could not fly. He was talking to the bird. When I went to Murad's house, I find out that he was maintaining repair. There was a bird. She was hurted. Young robin, it was hurted and she was unable to fly. And just now he was talking to the bird. He was trying to do something for it. I asked, what is it? He said, what is it? What happened? Just now Why have you come here at this time? Why have you come? I asked Murad about the farmer Jan Bairo who visited his house, and he complained Uncle Khosrow about his horse which was stolen before a month. So I told everything. It will take you a year learn to ride, my cousin Murad said. The farmer Jan Bairo, I want you to promise not to take it back until I learn to ride. Okay, Murad, listen me. You don't have to return it because until I learn to ride, you have not to return the horse. My young Murad said, it means that now you will take to learn a year. It means that now we have to have this horse 1 year. My cousin Murad leaped to his feet. What? He roared. Are you inviting a member of the Garogularian family to steal? The horse must go back to its true owner. Murad said, what do you want? What do you want? It means that now a member of the Garogularian family was blamed to steal, which was known for their honesty and trust. If we have 1 year for your learning to ride, our tribe, our family member was blamed. So that's now I have decided I will return it to the true owner. I will return to the true owner. When? I said. Okay, when are you going to return it? In 6 months at latest, he said. Okay, at least 6 months. He threw the bird into the air. जिस बर्ड को धुल रहा था घाव उड़ा दिया, and the bird tried hard, almost fell twice, 2 बार 3 बार गिरी, but at least flew away high and straight. और वह चली गई. Next. Every morning for 2 weeks, my cousin Murad and I took the horse out of the barn of the deserted vineyards where we are hiding it and rode it. And every morning the horse, when it was my turn to ride alone, leaped over grapevine and small trees and threw me and ran away. Nevertheless, I hope in time to learn to ride the way my cousin Murad rode. Each and every morning, explanation of this paragraph. Each and every morning, I, along with my cousin Murad, go to the barn and deserted vineyards where we are hiding it, and we rode it. Each and morning, Murad rode it, but when I ride, when it was my turn, the horse fell down me and running continually. One morning on the way up, Fitway Jones, the farmer, not John Bairo is also farmer, but don't think that, ये वो फार्मर है जहाँ पे हम घोड़े को छिपाए थे, और जॉन बैरो इज द फार्मर जिसका घोड़ा गायब हो गया था, चोरी हो गया था. दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बोथ फार्मर. फेट वेजन deserted vineyards, we ran into the farmer. One morning on the way up the deserted vineyards, we ran into the farmer John Bairo, who was on his way to town. One morning, when we were going to hide the horse, on the way, John Bairo met us. Let me do the talking, my cousin Murad said. I have away with farmers. They were shocked, but Murad, have patience. He said to me, okay, let me talk. I know how to talk. I can. Good morning, John Bairo, my cousin Murad said to the farmer. When he went to talk him, he greeted. John Bairo, good morning. The farmer studied the horse eagerly. John Bairo studied horse eagerly. When he saw the horse, he thought that the horse which has been stolen before a month. I think this is the same horse. Good morning, son of my friends. He said, what is the name of your horse? Having seen the horse, he thought that it seemed that it is my horse. But he again said, okay, good morning. What's the name of your horse? तुम्हारे घोड़े का नाम क्या है? My heart. My cousin Murad said in Armenian. In Armenian language, he told that my horse name is my heart. A lovely name. John Baido said, very good name. John Baido said, very, very good name. Very good name. John Baido said, for a lovely horse. I could swear it is the horse that was stolen from me many weeks ago. May I took into his mouth? Now we show that, because suppose that if your anything has been stolen, same things if you find that, so now you can identify that it belong to me. So that's why he asked, okay, can I count his mouth, count the teeth? My Murad said, of course you can. Of course you can. Yeah, when John Baido asked, can I count his teeth? Can I count his teeth? Murad said, okay, of course you can. The farmer looked into the mouth of the horse, tooth for tooth, एक एक दांत, tooth for tooth, one by one. He said, I would swear it is my horse if I didn't know your parents. The fame of your family for honesty is well known to me, yet the horse is the twin of my horse. A suspicious man would believe his eyes instead of his heart. Good day, my young friends. So now you can say that he is a very good stanza. This, having counted the teeth, he told that this is the same horse, it's a my horse. I can say it is my horse if I don't know your family for honesty. बोल रहा कि देखो सेम घोड़ा है, मेरा ही है लग रहा है. ये मैं कह सकता था कि यह घोड़ा मेरा ही है यदि मैं तुम्हारी फैमिली की फेम को नहीं जान सकता कि तुम्हारी फैमिली चोरी नहीं कर सकती है, मर जाएगी. कितनी ईमानदार है. सो नाउ यू कैन थिंक अबाउट इट दिस लाइन. वो बोला ये लग रहा है कि मेरे घोड़े का एक ट्विन है, जुड़वा है, ये मेरा घोड़ा नहीं है. हाँ, कह सकता था कि मेरा घोड़ा है यदि मैं तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स को नहीं जानता. बिकॉज यू बिलोंग टू गैरोग्लेनियन फैमिली एंड योर फैमिली नेवर बी अ थिप. If I don't know your family, I can say that it is my horse because same teeth, same color, same size. But my young friends, I can say that it is the twins of my horse. Good day, John Baido, my cousin Murad said. My Murad said, okay, John uncle, good day. Early morning. Following morning, we took the horse to John Baido's vineyard and put into the barn. The dogs followed us around without making a sound. The dog, I whispered, means having this incident, after this incident, my heart melted and we decided to return the horse. हम लोग घोड़े को रिटर्न कर देंगे because now our family, Garoglenian family, was known for our honesty. But what were we doing? So that's why they decided to return it in the barn of the farmer. When they went there, the dog followed us around without making a sound. जैसे कुत्ते होते हैं बिना आवाज़ किए बिना भौंके हुए वहाँ पे चले जाए. Because the dog, I whispered to my cousin Murad, I thought they would bark. Iram said, I thought that कि वे भौंकेंगे, but ये तो भौंक ही नहीं रहे हैं. But they would add somebody else. He said, I have a way with dog. I have a way with dog means also I can control the dog. I know the language of dog. Means मैं dog को भी control कर सकता हूँ. My cousin Murad put his arms around the horse pressed his nose into the horse's nose, patted it, and then we went away. My cousin Murad छोड़ना तो नहीं चाहता था, उस घोड़े को वहाँ बांध दिया, प्यार से उसके बैक पे पैट किया, नाक पे हाथ डाला, दुलारा उसको, दैट और वहाँ से चल दिए. That afternoon John Byro came to our house in his surrey and showed my mother the horse that had been stolen and returned. After that, Uncle John Byro again came to Khusro and he shouted, Uncle Khusro, the horse which has been stolen, now it has been returned. I think someone returned it. I do not know what to think, he said. The horse is stronger than ever. वो बोला कि घोड़ा मेरा जो चोरी हो गई थी वो आ गया है, एंड आल्सो इट इज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन, जो पहले से था उससे ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग हो गया है. वेरी गुड. आई थैंक गॉड. माई अंकल खुसरो हु वाज इन द पार्लर became irritated and shouted, quiet man, quiet, your horse has been returned, pay no attention to it. Why are you shouting? Just I told you that my uncle Khusro is a pet word, pay no attention to it, it's no harm. ये उनका पेट वर्ड है, पेट वर्ड्स. So okay, why are you shouting? Did you got your horse, na? You got, so why are you shouting? So quiet man, keep quiet, calm down. So that's why finish. I hope line by line and paragraph wise explanation you have understood, and after that only I give you 3 questions. You have to do it. What's the 3 questions? This here. You will probably agree that this story, it has been given to on the first day. I hope you have done. Next, did the boy return the horse because they were conscience stricken or because they were afraid? You have to do yourself. And one day back, there in the good old days, when I was 9, I think also it has been asked, you have to reply this here. Okay, good luck. That's all.